First feature is about multitasking. So here I open my Samsung notes and I use my S Pen for handwritten notes. Now for example, I want to open a website. I will take out this H panel. Then I will open this internet browser in split screen. Now for example, I want to open this website about brain anatomy, and here I want this image in my notes. So I will use my S Pen, and then I will press and hold it like this, and then I select this option of clip subject from background. So once you select this option, only the image part will be selected without the labels. Now I will use my S Pen, I will press and hold it like this, and I can easily drag it into my notes. And here if you want, you can also edit it, you can crop it, and then if you want, you can also highlight it as well. Same way you can also bring the text from a website into your notes. So I will go back from here, and then I open a website, and then I will show you how you can bring the text. For example, I open this website, and here I have this text. Now I will use my S Pen, and then again I will press and hold it like this, and then I will start selecting the text. So for example, I select this text. Now I want this text into my notes. I will use my S Pen, press and hold it like this, and here you can also drag it into your notes like this. Then if you want, you can open another app in this split screen. So I will take out this taskbar, and then for example, I want this calculator app, and then I open it here in the split screen. Now for example, I want to do some calculations, and then here I want these calculations in my notes as well. So what I will do, I will use my S Pen, I will press and hold it like this, and I select this calculation, and then I will use my S Pen again, I will press and hold it, and then I can also drag it into my notes like this. The next thing is you can also resize these apps in the split screen, and if you want, you can also rotate these apps as well. So here you can see I can easily rotate them. The next feature is about Samsung ecosystem. So whatever I copy on this Samsung device, it will also be available on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. For example, I will take out this H panel, and then I will scroll to the clipboard. So here you can see the clipboard is currently empty. Now I will open a website on this device, and then I try to copy this image. So I will press and hold it like this, and then I select this copy image option. The image is now copied, and now it is also available here on this tablet. Now I will take out this H panel, and here you can see the same image is now available over here. You can also use this image. For example, I open my notes, take out the H panel, use your S Pen, press and hold it, and you can easily drag the same image over here in your notes. The next feature is about screen recording. For example, you are watching a video or you are having a lecture and you want to take notes in the meantime. Use your S Pen button, just tap on the screen 2 times like this. It will open the Samsung notes, and here you can start taking your notes. Now you can see this note taking app is blocking the view behind. So what you can do is just select this blue bar, select the opacity icon, and from here you can reduce the opacity of this Samsung notes. So here you can see the video behind, and you can also take your notes as well. The next thing is, if you want to do the screen recording of your notes and your video, you can also do it. Just bring down this quick panel, and then here you see this option of screen recorder. Just select this option and then select start recording. So after this countdown, your screen recording will start. Now you can take notes and your video will also be recorded. You can also use this pen tool from the screen recorder if you want to highlight something important in your video or in your notes. You can also turn on the front camera. So here is the front camera option. You just select it. So here you can see the front camera is now turned on. So this will be really helpful if you want to make some kind of lectures or some kind of presentations. You can also use this cursor option as well. So here is the cursor. So you can highlight anything important in your video. Once you finish with your screen recording, you can select this stop option, and your recording will be saved in your gallery, and later you can share it with your students or with your colleagues. The next feature is about video pop-up view. For example, I will play this video. So now you can select this pop-up icon and it will open in pop-up player and you can move it anywhere on your screen. Now, for example, you want to take notes, open the note-taking app, and you can also resize this video and you can take your notes. Now, if you want, you can make it full size. And then if you want, you can also use your finger and you can easily drag it in the pop-up view like this. So now I can bring it like this. Now, for example, you want any object from this video into your notes, you can also do it. For example, I want this object in my notes. So I will just pause the video. I will use my S Pen. I will press and hold it like this. And then I can easily drag and drop it into my notes. The next feature is about digital planning. So you can use the Penly app and here we have these amazing digital planners. So here you can see we have different tabs and buttons. You can select any month from here and from this side you can select any date, and on top you have to-do list option, then you have notes option. Here you have different templates available. For example, I select this template and on top we have different tools available. So you can use the pen tool if you want to write something, if you want to use the highlighter. So here is the highlighter tool. You can also create hyperlinks to your handwriting as well. Use this selection tool and I will select this handwriting and then I select this icon and here is the link option. So once you select this link option, here you have a web link option available. Here you can write the URL. For example, here I will write samsung.com and then I press OK. Now I will go back and then I open this note again. Now if I just tap on this handwriting, it will ask me if I want to open this website. So I press OK and then it will open the website using the hyperlink. So this is really amazing. The next feature is about S Pen. So guys, this S Pen has a lot of functionality. For example, you open a website and here you want this text into your notes. Use your S Pen and start selecting the text. So for example, I will select till here. Now I want this text into my notes. So here is the add to note option. Just select this option. The text will be added to your notes. So here you can see all the text available in my notes and it is also showing me the link for that website. You can also use Smart Select tool if you want a specific part from your website. So I will open this air command, then I open this Smart Select tool. Now I will use my S Pen and now I will start selecting this part of the website. So I just select it. Now here you can see the part is now selected. Now you can copy it, you can pin it to your screen, you can also add it to your notes as well. So you can do all your editing. You can also use S Pen to text option. For example, I want to search something on Google. I will just select it and then I will use my S Pen. So here, for example, I want to search about human anatomy. So I will write with my S Pen. It will convert it into the text and then I will use this search option and here it will give me the results on Google.